Okay guys, so we're back to finish up the second half of inscribed angles, and we're just going to build on what we already know. So quick reminder, an inscribed angle sits inside of a circle with its vertex on the circle. So the big deal here, we always want to know the angle and the arc that it pairs to. So there's our angle and there's our arc. When the vertex is on the circle, like it is in an inscribed angle, our formula says angle equals half the arc. Okay. So we are going to build on that and finish up this section of material. We're going to use the same notes. We're just going to scroll all the way down to where we left off with an inscribed quadrilateral. Now remember, inscribed just means drawn inside with the vertices on the circle. So here we have a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure, drawn inside with the vertices on the circle. We're not saying that it's a parallelogram or a trapezoid or anything like that. It's just a four-sided figure. But the rule here is that the opposite angles are supplementary. So angle B and angle D are supplementary. They total 180. Angle A and angle C are supplementary. They total 180. Now, one easy way to kind of remember this, using our knowledge of inscribed angles, if I draw out the angle, so I drew out angle A, and there's its intercepted arc. Watch what happens when I draw out angle C. So angle C, and there's its intercepted arc. So look at that. The two arcs together make the whole circle. So the arcs total 360. Since both angles are inscribed, angle equals half arc. So if the total of the arc is 360, the total of the angles is 180. Supplementary. So just a different perspective on that. Realistically, it just comes down to a few practice problems. So let's take a look at it. And again, we can look at this two different ways. For example, in our first one, we're looking for angle X. So I can, if I wanted to, I can certainly say angle X, the angle marked X rather, is right there. Its arc is there. That is the opposite angle and therefore the opposite arc of D. So the total of the arcs was 360. I can find each arc and I can work it out that way. Or what I can simply say is that the opposite angles, so the X plus the 62, are supplementary. So they're going to total 180. And that's going to let me find X very quickly with a whole lot less work. Remember, some rules are just shortcuts. This happens to be a shortcut. So X equals 118 degrees. Now, looking at the picture, we can see Y is going to be the same thing because this happens to be an isosceles trapezoid. So Y, we're working with the same numbers here, so we're going to get the same results, 118. We can go ahead and look at number 24. So again, our focus is the angles that are opposite of each other are going to be supplementary. So we have X plus 68 is 180. And that gives us X equals 112. And we have y plus 104 equals 180. And from that, we can get y equals 76 degrees. So, try number 25, and then we'll come back and check it. So, try number 25 now. Hit pause. And we can come back. And trying number 25, let's see what we have here. Opposite angles. So it doesn't matter if we do x or y first, obviously. Opposite angles. So x, that means this one's x also. So x plus x equals 180. 2x equals 180, and x equals 90. For y, opposite angles are supplementary. We have y plus 98 equals 180, and y equals 82 degrees. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Inscribed angles, and as a result of that, we get inscribed quadrilaterals. Okay, that is really it for this section of material. So we're going to stop there. You can do your assignment, and then we'll move forward. All right. Have a great day, guys. Hope you all are doing well.